Welcome to the introduction of the Green Evolution. The business world is undergoing a profound transformation. Sustainability and corporate social responsibility, or CSR, are no longer just buzzwords. They are now integral to the long-term success of businesses. This shift in thinking is driven by a growing awareness of the interconnectedness between business, society, and the environment. Companies are realizing that their actions have far-reaching consequences. They are taking responsibility for their environmental footprint and their impact on communities. This green evolution is not merely a trend. It is a fundamental shift in the way businesses operate. Companies are incorporating sustainability and CSR into their core strategies. They are setting ambitious goals for reducing emissions, conserving resources, and promoting social good. This transformation is not without its challenges, but the benefits far outweigh the difficulties. In our second section, Redefining Success, Sustainability and CSR, we delve deeper into these concepts. Sustainability and CSR are no longer peripheral concerns for businesses. They are now central to the very definition of success. Sustainability, in its broadest sense, refers to meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It encompasses environmental, social, and economic dimensions. CSR, on the other hand, focuses on a company's responsibility to its stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and the environment. In today's business context, sustainability and CSR are intertwined and essential for long-term success. Consumers are increasingly demanding products and services from companies committed to ethical and sustainable practices. Investors are prioritizing companies with strong ESG, environmental, social, and governance performance. Employees are seeking purpose-driven organizations that align with their values. Real-world examples abound. Patagonia, the outdoor clothing company, is renowned for its commitment to environmental sustainability. They use recycled materials, support fair labor practices, and donate a percentage of sales to environmental organizations. Unilever, the consumer goods giant, has implemented a sustainable living plan, aiming to reduce its environmental footprint while enhancing its positive social impact. These companies demonstrate that sustainability and CSR are not just about altruism, they're about building a more resilient and profitable business. By integrating sustainability and CSR into their core strategies, businesses can enhance brand reputation, attract and retain talent, reduce costs, foster innovation, and gain a competitive edge. This redefinition of success acknowledges that businesses thrive when they operate in a way that benefits both people and the planet. It's about creating value for all stakeholders, not just shareholders. Now, let's explore strategies for sustainable business. Walking the talk. Integrating sustainability and CSR into business operations requires a strategic and multifaceted approach. It is not about implementing a few isolated initiatives. It is about embedding these principles into the very fabric of the organization. This involves setting clear sustainability goals, developing comprehensive policies, and implementing specific actions across all aspects of the business. Strategies for sustainable business can vary widely depending on the industry, size, and specific context of a company. However, some common approaches include reducing greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water and energy, minimizing waste, sourcing sustainable materials, promoting fair labor practices, engaging in ethical marketing, and supporting community development initiatives. The benefits derived from these practices are substantial. Companies can reduce operational costs through energy efficiency and waste reduction. They can enhance brand reputation and customer loyalty by demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. They can attract and retain top talent by creating a purpose-driven work environment. Moreover, sustainable practices can lead to innovation and the development of new products and services that meet evolving market demands. Walking the talk on sustainability and CSR requires a genuine commitment from leadership, active engagement from employees, and transparent communication with stakeholders. It is an ongoing journey of continuous improvement, learning, and adaptation. The key is to move beyond superficial measures and embrace a holistic approach that integrates sustainability into every aspect of business operations. Finally, in Industry Spotlight Sustainability in Action, we examine how the integration of sustainability and CSR manifests differently across industries, reflecting the unique challenges and opportunities presented by each sector. In the energy sector, companies are transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. They are investing in smart grids and energy storage solutions to enhance efficiency and reliability. In the manufacturing industry, companies are adopting circular economy principles, minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. They are implementing closed-loop systems where waste from one process becomes input for another. They are also exploring new materials and production processes that reduce environmental impact. The transportation sector is witnessing a rapid shift towards electric vehicles and alternative fuels. Logistics companies are optimizing routes and adopting fuel-efficient technologies to reduce emissions. The fashion industry is increasingly using sustainable materials like organic cotton and recycled fibers. They are promoting ethical sourcing and fair labor practices throughout their supply chains. Across all industries, technology plays a crucial role in advancing sustainability. Digitalization, data analytics, and artificial intelligence are enabling companies to monitor their environmental footprint, optimize resource consumption, and make more informed decisions. The integration of sustainability and CSR is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires tailored strategies that address the specific context of each industry. Section 5. Overcoming Challenges. The Road to a Greener Future. The path to a sustainable future is not without its challenges. Companies face obstacles in integrating sustainability and CSR into their operations. Measuring and reporting environmental and social impact can be complex and resource-intensive. Supply chain transparency and accountability can be difficult to achieve, especially in globalized industries. The initial costs of implementing sustainable practices, such as investing in renewable energy or upgrading equipment, can be significant. Resistance to change within organizations can hinder the adoption of new practices. Balancing sustainability goals with profitability targets can be a delicate act. Overcoming these challenges requires a combination of factors. Clear government regulations and incentives can create a level playing field and encourage businesses to adopt sustainable practices. Collaboration between businesses, NGOs, and research institutions can foster innovation and knowledge sharing. Consumer demand for sustainable products and services can drive market transformation. Ultimately, the road to a greener future relies on a shift in mindset. Businesses need to move beyond a narrow focus on short-term profits and embrace a long-term vision that prioritizes the well-being of people and the planet. This requires courage, leadership, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Section 6. The Ripple Effect. Positive Impacts on Society and Environment. The integration of sustainability and CSR into business strategies creates a ripple effect of positive impacts on society and the environment. By reducing their environmental footprint, companies contribute to mitigating climate change, conserving natural resources, and protecting ecosystems. By promoting fair labor practices, they enhance social equity, improve livelihoods, and foster inclusive economic growth. Sustainable business practices can lead to healthier and more resilient communities. By investing in local communities, supporting education and healthcare initiatives, and promoting diversity and inclusion, companies can create a positive social impact that extends far beyond their immediate operations. The positive impacts of sustainability and CSR are not limited to local communities. They extend globally. By sourcing materials responsibly, companies can help combat deforestation, protect biodiversity, and support sustainable livelihoods in developing countries. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, they contribute to global efforts to mitigate climate change and its devastating consequences. The ripple effect of sustainable business practices underscores the interconnectedness of business, society, and the environment. By acting responsibly, companies can create a virtuous cycle where their actions benefit not just their own bottom line, but also the well-being of people and the planet. Section 7. Case Studies. Pioneers of Sustainable Business. Numerous companies across various industries serve as inspiring examples of successful sustainability and CSR integration. Interface, a global flooring manufacturer, has transformed its business model based on circular economy principles. They have reduced their environmental footprint dramatically, closed the loop on material flows, and created innovative products that are both sustainable and aesthetically pleasing. Unilever, a consumer goods giant, has made significant strides in reducing its environmental impact and enhancing its positive social impact through its sustainable living plan. They have reduced greenhouse gas emissions, minimized waste, and promoted sustainable sourcing practices. They have also implemented programs to improve health and hygiene, empower women, and enhance livelihoods in communities around the world. Patagonia, a renowned outdoor clothing company, has long been a champion of environmental sustainability and social responsibility. They use recycled materials, support fair labor practices, and donate a percentage of sales to environmental organizations. They have also been vocal advocates for environmental protection and have inspired other businesses to adopt more sustainable practices. These case studies demonstrate that sustainability and CSR are not just theoretical concepts. They are practical, actionable strategies that can lead to tangible benefits for businesses, society, and the environment. They highlight the power of innovation, collaboration, and a genuine commitment to creating a better world. Section 8. Conclusion: Shaping a Sustainable Future. The integration of sustainability and CSR into business strategies is not a choice, but an imperative for a future where businesses thrive in harmony with people and the planet. It is about redefining success, embracing a long-term vision, and recognizing the interconnectedness of business, society, and the environment. This transformation requires a fundamental shift in mindset. Businesses need to move beyond a narrow focus on short-term profits and embrace a holistic approach that prioritizes the well-being of all stakeholders. They need to recognize that sustainability and CSR are not just about mitigating risks, but about unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. The journey towards a sustainable future is not without its challenges, but the benefits far outweigh the difficulties. By embracing sustainability and CSR, businesses can enhance their brand reputation, attract and retain top talent, reduce costs, foster innovation, and gain a competitive edge. They can contribute to a healthier planet, more resilient communities, and a more equitable and prosperous world. The future of business is inextricably linked to the health of our planet and the well-being of our communities. By embracing sustainability and CSR, businesses can shape a future where both people and the planet thrive. This is the essence of the green evolution, a transformation that is reshaping the business landscape and creating a path towards a brighter and more sustainable future.